Whew. Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right or Get Left, man, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X. Ah, man, where do I even begin, bruh? Yo, this shit is something else, bro. Let me show y'all something really quickly. Today is November 10th, but I started NoFap, or No Nut November, back in October. So today I am on day 15. As I can see, well, you can't really see, I am on day 15, bro. I'm halfway done 30 days, bro. Halfway done a month. And like I said in the last video, bro, I hit my flatline, and I don't know, bro. Like, let me give y'all a little rundown of today. So today, bro, I barely got shit done today. I ain't gonna cap to ya, bro. Like, I didn't get out of bed till like, I woke up at like what, 6, then went outside, did something for a little bit, and then came back in the house at 7 and went to sleep till like 8, 9, bro. And I didn't leave the house till like 1, 2 o'clock, bro. I didn't leave the house till 2 o'clock in the afternoon, bro. And the only reason I left is because I had, you know, I have ADHD, so I take medicine. I take Adderall. I'm supposed to take it every day, but I don't. I only take it when I really need to get shit done. So yeah, I took the Adderall and I went to the gym. Basically forced myself to go to the gym, bro, cause I got no motivation, bro. Like, I ain't gonna cap. Even making this video, I didn't feel like I had to force myself to make this video, bro. And I usually love making videos, but right now, bro, like, I don't got no motivation to do shit. Like, my room, like, you could kind of see a little bit, but my room is all falling apart and stuff, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. I'm just sluggish, and I don't know, bro. This shit is weird. Like I said before, I never really had a flatline. I've only seen benefits, but right now I'm going hard mode, and I've never really went hard mode. Like, delete Instagram, so that's taking away dopamine from Instagram. You know, not even looking at like regular ass pictures, like not even looking at girls in their bikini or something like that. So it's like my mind is very it's detoxing very hard. It went cold turkey, bro. So like, maybe that's why I never experienced flatlines in the past, bro. But this shit ain't for the weak, bro. And the way that some people be describing it, like, you be getting certain thoughts in your head, you be depressed and stuff. I'm not, like I said, I'm not gonna allow myself to get depressed. But it's like, damn, bro. Like, all the benefits I've seen from it, I don't know, bro. This shit is like, I don't know. Like, I did have little thoughts of like, damn, you know, maybe I should, you know, check it out, see if my shit's still working. Cause like I said in the last video, like, my shit is dead, bro. That motherfucker is dead, like, no feeling, bro. And that shit kind of scaring me. But I went on a NoFap forum, and they said, you know, it's all a part of the process. That means your brain is rewiring. So, you know, it is beneficial, but right now it's scary, because it's like, damn, bro. Like, anytime I try to have sex, that motherfucker don't really want to work. And then, like, I ain't been waking up with morning wood like that. But I will say my dreams these past couple days have been very sexual, and I'm gonna make another video about this. The dreams have been very sexual, and I don't believe I fully had a wet dream, but I feel like I've gotten close to having wet dreams. But in my dreams, like, I'll be like telling myself, no, don't finish, like, don't release. But it's just like, you know, I'm glad my mind is telling me that inside of my sleep. But it's just like, damn, like, that shit really wants to get out of there. And I feel, you know, a lot of people don't know what wet dreams are, but I feel like it's something like trying to steal your energy. Like I said, with the devil, trying to bring my ex or past people, trying to work through people to bring me back into that addiction, bring me back into that stronghold, man. And like, even the dream I had yesterday, bro, was like about my ex, and it was just a sexual ass dream. And I came this close to finishing, bro, but I told myself no. So, like, bruh, a lot of people talk about the NoFap benefits, but very, very few, there are some very few talk about the flatline, bruh. And you never know what it feels like till you experience it yourself, bro. Like, literally have no motivation to do shit, bro. And that shit's kind of scaring me because I got shit I gotta get done. And I can't use it as an excuse. I still gotta get shit done. But, like, I literally was just scrolling on my phone for, like, 2 hours straight on TikTok, YouTube. This dumb shit. And I feel like my brain is just fried, bro. And another thing is, like, yesterday, I ate KFC. I don't eat fast food no more, bro. I ate KFC, bro. 10 pieces of chicken by myself, bro. I know I'm black and I love chicken, but damn, bro. I felt like shit. Like, I woke up, you can't really tell, but, like, I broke out and shit like that, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. So what I realized with this flatline so far is, like, lack of motivation is the #1 thing. The #2 thing is, like, your dick don't work, bro. Like, your shit is dead. Like, your shit is, like, crippled, bro. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if they made wheelchairs for that shit, bro. Like, that motherfucker is disabled, bro. No, I'm not. Y'all get what I mean, bro. I'm not making fun of nobody disabled, but, you know, my piece is not piecing, you feel me? The third thing that I realized, just like, you see how low my energy is right now? Like, I just don't really got energy to do shit, bro. And I don't know, bro. Like, it's not really, I'm not really sad. Like, I can't say I'm really sad, but, you know, I'm not as jolly and happy as I usually am. Like, I could tell from the videos and shit like that. But yeah, bro, like, this flatline shit ain't no joke. Like I said, I'm on day 15, halfway done. Just 30-day. It's not even a challenge really, cause like I'm gonna continue to do NoFap. But, like, bro, this shit, bro. Like, I hate this shit flatline, bro. Cause like I said, I've been sleeping late too, bro. Like, I already don't get laundry done. You could tell that I fucking took the bed sheet off to wash it and I never got to it, bro. Like, I just been sleeping late, bro. Staying in bed, and that's not me, bro. That is not me. But I know it's all part of the process, and that's why they say trust the process. So I'm gonna trust the process for real. But man, if y'all on a flatline right now, bro, or y'all made it through a flatline, let me know, bro, how the fuck y'all got through this shit. Because I be feeling like I know it's gonna end, but I wanna know when it's gonna end. Because, you feel me, little man up there got some work he gotta do in real life. That's not my main goal, but it's just like, you feel me, when it's time to get active, I need him to cooperate. I need him to be a team player, bro, because he be wanting to take naps at the wrong time, bro. So, and I need motivation to get my business going. I just need answers, bro. So just let me know down in the comments below. Remember, join the Telegram in the description below. Yeah, man, just keep pushing. We halfway there though, so I'm proud of that. And when I reach my 30-day mark, I gotta celebrate, bro. With that being said, make sure you stay safe, stay positive, and stay disciplined, and stay motivated, and just stay locked in, bro. I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.